Hi, this is Doug Tidwell for Gradle Enterprise, here with a quick look at the 2022.4 release. In March 2022, we announced the deprecation of replicated-based installs. Gradle Enterprise 2022.4 can only be installed with Helm. And as of January 2023, replicated-based installs of previous versions will no longer be supported. The Gradle Enterprise plugin for the Gradle Build Tool is even more powerful. We've added the functionality of the Test Retry Gradle plugin so you can automatically get flaky test data with every build. That means Gradle Build Tool users can configure test distribution, predictive test selection, test retry, and Gradle Enterprise itself, all with a single plugin. The Enterprise API has been enhanced, making it easier to retrieve information and analyze builds, as well as create, edit, and delete test distribution agent pools and API keys. Predictive Test Selection, as you may know, uses a machine learning model to identify tests that aren't impacted by the latest changes to your code. In 2022.4, that model has been improved. It's now more accurate than ever. Finding and isolating flaky tests is now even easier thanks to advanced analytics that look across builds. We've improved our world-class debugging features with even more detailed feedback. For a failed test, the Failure Analytics panel shows you whether the failure was in the test method itself or in the setup and teardown logic that executes outside the scope of the methods of the test class. In addition to the user interface enhancements to support these new features, we've made background changes that improve the performance of the UI. We're constantly improving our integration with CI platforms such as GitHub Actions, GitLab, Jenkins, and TeamCity. If you use Jenkins, we now offer a Jenkins plugin that lets you instrument Gradle Enterprise for all CI builds without editing your Gradle build scripts or Maven POM files. And finally, we've heard reports that some of you have been unproductively overwhelmed by our install docs. We now have new and/or improved tutorials with this release, including guides for creating a Helm-based installation and how to install Gradle Enterprise on AWS and GCP. To sum up, we believe we'll bring your consternation, frustration, and exasperation to a cessation with the optimization of our installation documentation. Those are the highlights. For all the details, check out the complete release notes on the website. Thanks for watching and enjoy the new release. Cheers.